Quick tips for sparkling floors with natural ingredients. Apex Fresh Cleaning, Brooklyn, New York. Keep your Brooklyn, New York floors shining with these simple steps using all natural ingredients. 1. Mix a cleaning solution. Combine 1 cup of white vinegar with 1 gallon of warm water. Vinegar cuts through dirt and grime without leaving residue. 2. Add essential oils. For a fresh scent, add a few drops of essential oil, like lemon or lavender, to the mixture. 3. Mop the floors. Use a microfiber mop or cloth to gently clean the floors. Avoid soaking them, just a light pass will do. 4. Buff with a dry cloth. After mopping, buff the floors with a dry cloth to enhance their shine. 5. Rinse for extra shine. If necessary, rinse with clean water and dry completely. Using this method, your Brooklyn, New York floors will sparkle naturally.